What is up, everybody? Zach from Redwood Chronicles got another product coming to you for the Tesla Model Y Juniper from Hansshow. This is going to be the front engine skid plate. Not that I'm taking the Tesla off-roading or anything crazy like that, but we do take it on dirt roads to go fishing around Humboldt and stuff. Nothing too crazy, but it'll be nice to have that peace of mind, a little bit more protection under there, just from like little jabs it might take over the time that would get through that factory plastic. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get this thing put on. Typical Humboldt fashion, it's raining in June. Well, it'll show you how easy this install is going to be. We're going to go anyway. So real quick, first thing you're going to want to do is take off that front factory plastic plate. That's going to be this one. So starting from the front of the car, you got the bumper, you got this first smaller one, and then you got this second one. This is the one we're going to be removing. It's got a total of 9 bolts, and they are all 10 millimeters. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 across the front. Then you got this guy here up in there. Then you got 1 here up in there, 2 across the back in the middle here, and then 1 more up in that side. So I'm gonna position this the best I can, but we're gonna go ahead and get this guy dropped off. Just a basic socket will do, but we fancy. I would recommend starting in the back so when it falls down, you can still get out. All right, so 1 more bolt's gonna come off, guys. It's gonna be this one right here, the skid plate. That back tab's gonna mount to that. So we'll pull that guy off real quick too on both sides. All right, now we got those other 2 off that I didn't know about. I think they tell you you need a lift and that you need 2 people to do this. I'm here to tell you you need some ramps and a little bit of, you. So let's go ahead and get this guy loosely up there. I'm gonna do the opposite of what I did before. I'm gonna get some of these replacement bolts they sent. Get a couple of them just started. Not super loose because it's gonna hold the weight. I want enough threads in there for it not to unthread, but I do want it to be loose so we can still kind of move the skid plate around until we have everything started. Make sure those bolts that come through that you're going to put those factory nuts back on, those 15s, make sure those holes are lined up. That's honestly probably what I should have put on first. All right, let's get it all tightened down. I am going to tighten this down by hand because I don't want to overdo anything. All right, guys, that's the front skid plate from Hansshow Auto. Definitely adds a layer of protection. Don't forget to use code REDWOOD at checkout, support the channel. Cheers, guys.